Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about the color schemer, and I'm here at colorschemer.com using theirs. The idea behind the color schemer is based off of the rules from the color wheel, and they have a more complex downloadable version here. So if you want to download that, that has some more options, you can do so here. There's a download for a PC and for a Mac. But the idea behind this color scheme picker is it's based on the same rules that the color wheel is based on. So in this example I have pulled up here, I have the RGB codes over here, as well as the hex codes here that you can enter and set. And so for this case I'm using 128 red, 255 green, and 128 blue. So it gives me this color here, so this is the current color. And then these other colors that, based off the color wheel's different patterns, will be portrayed here. So here, this violet kind of color is the exact opposite, as you can see, from this color. It's got 255, 128, and 255 as opposed to our color here, which is 128, 255, 128. And so you can come here and enter. So we'll do a full red color. So I'll enter our colors here for red. Click set. So there's our red. You can see 25500, or the hex code FF0000, and the different options and the different mixing options that they're using here. So this is 255, 128, 0, 255, 255, or 128, 255, 0. Down here is our polar opposite color of our red, which is 0, 255, 255. If you know the hex code, you can enter that here. So we'll enter for green, and there's our green. The other options are you can just come down here and click and get colors this way. You can lighten the schemes here so you get more kind of pastel colors, or you can darken them and increase the saturation and the brightness. So now that you know how to use this, you can test it out and become familiar with how to make different color schemes. Also to note, this is just kind of a starting point, and when you're creating an actual color scheme, you want to experiment and not just go with these colors per se, and definitely not this many. You don't want 16 colors for a color scheme. That is a lot to use. So experiment with this, get used to using this, and be comfortable with using the color scheme picker. That's all.